flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be?
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you guys will see me clean my stove and my microwave. As you can see, I am removing my burners, and the burner covers are rusted out, cooked out, burned out, and it's just time for some new ones. So it's no better time to change them than now. A lot of people don't know, but up under your stove, before you get to the oven, be dirty. Like when I have food that overspills and it falls in the eye, this is where it falls to. So I am going to clean that as well. Like that is a part of your stove that will absolutely hold odor. And look at the oven, you guys. Like I'm a cook, so of course the oven is going to get dirty, build up, and it's just a matter of having the time to actually clean it. But the time is now. Let's go. The microwave is not that bad because I stress to my husband and my kids to make sure they use the microwave cover. Like it prevents 85% of the mess in the microwave, like legitly. I purchased this from Walmart, so it's like really cheap, like $2 or $3. But anyways, it's a little dirty, but I'm gonna clean it. My oven has a self-cleaner. I used it one time before and it absolutely saved me a lot of time with the scrubbing and stuff. So I am just going to place it on self-clean. And when you hit self-clean, it automatically does 3 hours and 30 minutes. But I'm going to reset that and I'm going to do it for just 3 hours. Just to give you guys a time update, I can't open the oven, but this is a look on the inside. I currently have 48 minutes and 51 seconds left, so let's get it done. The stove has finished and it has cooled down to where I'm able to open it up. I haven't opened it yet, but I did start by removing the rusty burner covers, and now I have a soft brittle pad that's scar free, that's not gonna scratch up the stove, and I have like a bucket of hot soapy water so that I can get rid of any food that may be cooked onto the top of the stove that was maybe been up under the burners. And I'm just gonna give it a good deep clean because it's well needed.
The same old wars like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay.
This is the area that a lot of people forget to clean when they're cleaning their stove. Like this is the area where if you was to have a spill or a boil over on top of your stove, this is where that stuff goes to. So this is a very important area to clean in your oven, just as well as on top as well as the inside of the oven. So I'm just gonna get all of this rust up from the burner eyes, and I'm gonna give this section a good scrub down because believe it or not, it will hold odor if food is sat in there for days at a time.
for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. If you stay, if you stay, if you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. We watch the sun go down over the same old town.
Now it's time to clean the oven. As you can see, it's still kind of hot. I like to clean it while it's still in that cooling off stage, but not too cool, but cool enough for me to like touch it and not get burned. It really helps with the scrubbing process, with the food baked and cooked on there, with the stove being warm. You know, it helps out like a whole lot. I have my soapy hot water, so that's gonna help out as well, and we're just gonna get it done.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I felt like I was never heard. All I wanted was to be loved. All I wanted was to be loved. Still yours if you want. You're the right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Still yours if you want. You're right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I say. Still yours if you want. You're the right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Still yours if you want. You're right, 'cause those ups and those Lately, my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning. Wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe. But I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you. No, no, no. Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars.
Check out the water that came from just the stove alone. It was pretty dirty, I would say. I am a cook, so with that being said, I expect my stove to get dirty. If you cook, that's going to happen. Whether you clean it then or whether you wait and clean it later, it's going to get dirty. It's just bound to happen. So do not come for me in the comments about how dirty my stove is. I know it was dirty. That's why I'm cleaning it. Hello. Anyways, and we're moving. So I'm just going to get some fresh clear water, no soap, just to wipe everything down. Make sure I'm not leaving no soap and no chemicals or anything in the stove. Just plain clear water, clean rag.
Can't go one more day. Can't go. No, I can't. One more day without you. Can't go. One more day. I can't go one more day without you. No, I can't go one more day.
So I have finished cleaning the oven, and what I like to use are these oven rack liners. They are absolutely amazing. It comes with two. I purchased them from Walmart, and I normally just put both of them in there because they're so thin. I have had one in there before, and food had waste and it burnt through, so I just always use both of them at the same time. But you just slide them in there, right up there, up under the eye, and it helps with the spills and with the cleanup process a little bit more. Far as my racks, they didn't have any food on them, but what I just did was just take my rag and I just wiped them off really good. If you want to put soap and water on them, you could, but I didn't have to because I didn't have no food on them really. So I just took the wet rag and I just wiped them down like really good. Having a stainless steel stove and appliances can show physical dirt. As you can see, look at all of this mess. So what I like to do for my appliances in my kitchen, because everything in my kitchen is stainless steel, I get a microfiber rag and I get this stainless steel cleaner. Absolutely amazing, you guys. Amazing. I'm trying to get it to focus so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. But this stuff is amazing. Fingerprints, food, whatever. it cleans it up, give it a good nice shine. I call it my kitchen appliances furniture polish. That's what I call it. But it absolutely works beautiful. I also purchased it at Walmart, but you can get this at Target. You can get it at Lowe's, Home Depot. You can get it really anywhere. The grocery store, Food Lion. It is amazing. If you have stainless steel appliances, you should definitely try this product. Okay, with my stove all clean and shiny, I purchased some new burner eyes from Lowe's, and they came individual for some reason. They didn't have like a set, so I had to buy each one of them separately, which was okay. They was about $25 for four, not too bad, but it makes the stove look so much better once you clean it all up, put new fresh eyes in there, and you can't tell me nothing. I'm ready to cook my next meal, you guys. I say the least for last. My microwave really wasn't that dirty, and that is because I told you before I use the microwave cover there. So all I really do for the microwave, I don't heat it up or warm it up or anything. I just spray and I literally wipe. That's it. That's all I do for as the microwave. For as my microwave cover and my microwave plate, I just wash them by hand. I have some spray and wash, spray and wipe, Dawn, or whatever you want to call this stuff. So I spray that on there and I give it a good scrub down, and I hand dry it with the dish rag and I place it back in there. Simple, quick, and easy, you guys.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow.
Baby, honey, let me tell you, this stove is clean. Like, it looks good. Looks like it just came off the sales floor. You hear me? When I tell you clean, I am so proud of the outcome. It looks good, it smells good. Only thing is missing is this meal in it. Okay, I'm ready to cook this meal, honey. I'm ready to slay in this kitchen now. But anyways, if you're new to my channel, the same way you clicked on this video, go make sure you go click on that subscribe button and turn your bell on. That way you're not missing an upload from your girl D, and you can be down with D. To my subscribers out there, you already know I love you guys. I truly do. None of this will be possible without you guys. And to the next time, and to the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.
Try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me.